Good morning all. Welcome to my another video, and my name is Sri Devi. I am doing a video on fractions. This is exercise 3D for class 7 Selina Conscience mathematics book, and there are about 11 questions. Let me see how it goes. If the video is going to be short, I'll complete all the 11 questions, or maybe I will break this exercise into 2 videos. Let's quickly get on to the question number 1. Simplify. 6 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Let's solve 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. I am just using the concepts of BODMAS and trying to simplify each brackets, and we can get on to the last expression. So now first let's solve 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Therefore 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12, that is equal to 5 by 12. Therefore the equation becomes 6 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12. Let's solve 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12. LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. Therefore 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12 is equal to 16 by 12 plus 5 by 12, that is equal to 21 by 12. So hope you understand. I'm just pausing here for a few seconds. And now the equation becomes 6 plus 21 by 12. So LCM of 1 and 12 is 12. Therefore 72, that 6 plus 21 by 12 becomes 72 by 12 plus 21 by 12, which in turn becomes 72 plus 21 by 12, that is 93 by 12. Because both numerator and denominator is divisible by 3, the lowest term becomes 31 by 4. Again, which you can convert to mixed fraction. 31 by 4 is nothing but 7/3 by 4. Therefore 6 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 7/3 by 4. Here the concept is start using BODMAS and start simplifying the brackets, and you will be able to do the sums easily. Little lengthy sums but very easy. Let's move on to question number 2. The question number 2 is 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Let's solve 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is equal to 10. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by 10 minus 5 by 10. That is 6 minus 5 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 10. Hope this is clear. Just pausing here. Now the equation becomes 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Let's solve 3 by 2 plus 1 by 10. LCM of 2 and 10 is 10. Therefore, the equation becomes 15 by 10 plus 1 by 10, that is equal to 16 by 10. When you simplify it to the lowest form, it becomes 8 by 5. Now the equation becomes 8 minus 8 by 5. That becomes 8 minus 8 by 5 is equal to 40 by 5 minus 8 by 5. That is 40 minus 8 by 5. That is 32 by 5. When you convert that into mixed fraction, you get it as 62 by 5. I am just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand. Therefore, the final answer is 62 by 5. Let's move on to question number 3. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 5. First let's solve 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Therefore 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 12 plus 4 by 12, that is equal to 7 by 12. Therefore now the equation becomes 1 by 4 into 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 7 by 48 minus 2 by 5. LCM of 48 and 5 is 240. Therefore, the equation becomes 7 by 48 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 35 by 240 minus 96 by 240. That is equal to 35 minus 96 by 240, which in turn gives you minus 61 by 240. Therefore, the final answer is minus 61 by 240. I am just pausing in for few seconds. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to question number 4. 2 3 by 4 minus 3 1 by 8 divided by 5 minus 4 2 by 3 minus 11 by 12. So let's convert all the improper fraction to mixed fraction. Therefore, the equation becomes 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 divided by 5 minus 14 by 3 minus 11 by 12. Hope this is clear. Let's solve 14 by 3 minus 11 by 12. Therefore, LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. Now, 14 by 3 minus 11 by 12 is equal to 56 by 12 minus 11 by 12. That is equal to 56 minus 11 by 12. That is equal to 45 by 12. I am just pausing in for few seconds here. Therefore, equation becomes 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 divided by 5 minus 45 by 12. So now solving 5 minus 45 by 12, LCM of 1 and 12 is 12. Okay. So next 5 minus 45 by 12 is equal to 60 by 12 minus 45 by 12. That is 60 minus 45 by 12, that is equal to 15 by 12. I am just pausing in for few seconds. The equation becomes 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 divided by 15 by 12. Therefore, the equation becomes 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 into 12 by 15. I am just taking the reciprocal and I am just simplifying the terms in the bracket, and the final answer that you get is 11 by 4 minus 5 by 2. Just pausing here. Here the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Therefore, 11 by 4 minus 5 by 2 becomes 11 by 4 minus 10 by 4. That is 11 minus 10 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the final answer is 1 by 4. Hope this is clear. You don't have to worry anything. Solve each bracket and you should be able to simplify the sums easily and quickly. Let's move on to the fifth question. 12 1 by 2 minus 8 1 by 2 plus 9 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2. Converting all mixed fractions to improper fraction. 25 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus 9 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2. The bar is called the Vinculum bracket. I am solving that and I get 25 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus 9 of minus of 5 minus 1. So that becomes 25 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus 9 minus 4. Again on simplification you get 25 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus 5. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Let's solve 17 by 2 plus 5. Therefore, 17 by 2 plus 5 becomes 17 plus 10 by 2, that is equal to 27 by 2. Therefore, the final equation becomes 25 by 2 minus 27 by 2. It is a common denominator. Therefore, 25 by 2 minus 27 by 2 is equal to 25 minus 27 by 2. That becomes minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the final answer is minus 1. Hope this is clear. I'm just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Let's move on to question number 6. 1 by 5 divided by 2 1 by 3 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 minus 3 1 by 2. Let's convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. We get 6 by 5 divided by 7 by 3 minus 5 by 1, 5 minus 1 minus 7 by 2. It becomes 6 by 5 divided by 7 by 3 minus 4 minus 7 by 2. Just pausing here for a few seconds. Let's solve 7 by 3 minus 4. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 7 by 3 minus 4 is equal to 7 by 3 minus 12 by 3. That is equal to 7 minus 12 by 3, and you get it as minus 5 by 3. Now the equation becomes 6 divided by minus 5 by 3 minus 7 by 2. That is equal to 6 divided by, I've written it again, 6 divided by minus 5 by 3 minus 7 by 2. The equation becomes 6 by 5 into 3 by minus 5. I'm just taking the reciprocal, minus 7 by 2. Using BODMAS, we will first do the multiplication. Therefore, we get minus 18 by 25 minus 7 by 2. LCM of 25 and 2 is 50. Therefore, the equation becomes minus 36 by 50 minus 175 by 50. That is equal to minus 36 minus 175 by 50. That is equal to minus 211 by 50. On simplification, it becomes minus 411 by 50. So I'm just pausing in for few seconds, and the final answer is minus 411 by 50. Just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Alright folks, I am just going to stop this video here for 6 sums. From question 7 onwards, I will post in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay home, and in case if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.